This leopardess, believe it or not, is ready to hunt at a moment's notice. She is one of the few special leopards that have learnt to hide in the treetops and wait for their prey to come to them without making a sound. She gets into position. Not this time. And now her presence is known to all. But leopards will go to astonishing lengths to succeed, and some are more daring than others. This leopard climbs up to a branch 9 meters above the ground. She's higher than the roof of a 2-story house. Leopards have killed themselves jumping from these heights. To succeed on these equatorial grasslands, you must be adaptable and sometimes brave.